Hi guys, going to do another one of those wooden kits. So, Woodcraft construction kit, VW Beetle, P305 is their reference number. Height 8 centimeters, length 23 centimeters, width 11 centimeters. And that QR code will actually take you straight to their site. Cost me £1.50 in a charity shop. Looks like 4 sheets of wood. Right, I say this just about every time. I'll film it full length build, but I'll probably fast forward it so you can see it a bit quicker. The way these work is the slots have got numbers on them, so you match number 1 to number 1 and so on. When I first started doing these, I actually copied the numbers onto the pieces of wood so I could find them easily, and that did mean that you looked all the way through and found all the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you've got to find where the other 1, 2, 3 and 4 are. Finished. Sharp-eyed amongst you might notice I swapped those bumper bits over. I had them pointing up, and then realised on the picture there they've got them pointing down. I don't know about these headlights. I mean, they've got them laying flat, which may be right, but I've got them facing vertically or horizontally, whichever way you want to look at it. I've got to say, I did not enjoy making that one at all. I think having done a laser cut one recently has spoilt it a bit for me. Laser cut works, everything fits together. You don't have nasty little bits you have to trim. Whereas these old die cut ones, well, you saw I struggled. It was a pain. And the fact that I'm pretty sure that floor plate is the wrong way round, even though I double checked before I put it on there. Because the wheels can't possibly turn because they're jammed up against that wheel arch. And at the front end here, this bit is loose. So I reckon that bit's backwards. Either that or they've got the dimensions wrong, but it's more likely that I've put it on backwards. So that'll do. Job done. But not enjoyed as much as I would have liked to.